The AMG 2.0-litre turbo engine delivers 310 kilowatts, 421 horsepower, and generates a maximum torque of 500 Nm. What is special is the electric exhaust gas turbocharger, a technology from Formula One. This form of charging guarantees particularly spontaneous responses across the entire speed range. The new AMG GT 43 offers an even more dynamic driving experience and at the same time increased efficiency. The turbocharger is operated via the 48-volt onboard electrical system, which also feeds the belt-driven starter generator. This briefly delivers an additional boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 horsepower. The second generation also functions as a mild hybrid in the 48-volt onboard electrical system, which, in addition to the temporary boost in performance, also enables functions such as coasting and recuperation for even greater efficiency. The 48-volt technology also increases comfort, as the transitions between the start-stop and coasting functions are almost imperceptible.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running pricey. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent.